a new Makita XGT 40 volts. We got 6 piece in one combo kit. We got cyber saw, skill saw. We got a rotary hammer for concrete, and we got grinder. We had also impact drive and hammer drill, and also we have what include on this combo. We got 2 battery as well, 4 amps, 1 tool bag, 1 rapid charger, and let's go have a look. We got this Makita tool bag. It's a massive bag. Whoa. Nice bag. And what we got here? What is the for done? Makita. It's like a plug. That's the right side. And okay. So we got this one. Very nice. And what we got next? We got this skill saw, 3 blade in it. Let's see, XGT. Oh, this one had a chip as well. See that chip? Yeah. So you can connect this chip if you use a vacuum or something. It's like a Bluetooth thing. Next one. So we got attachment for the skill saw, and we have this rotary hammer drill. It's brushless as well. We got selector here. Press that one. You put on the hammer. That's good. Good kit. Good combo kit. So we got here, got this drill, quite handy. Looks good. What else? We got this see this one? It's a battery charger adapter, so you can use 18 volts and you can charge it here. So that one's gonna go to this one. So this is the 40 volts. If you want to charge 18 volts, all you have to do is just put this one on top, slide it up, and you can charge 18 volts here as well, which is cool. You got charger. What else we have here? We got this attachment for grinder. Got pre-disc for grinder. Cover for grinder. Ta-da! So we got 2 battery. See here? XGT 40 volts, 4 amps. So we got 2 battery in one combo. It's good. We got this impact drive. It's powerful. So everything, all the accessories here. And what else we got here? This is for rotary. the handle for whoa, look at this. You know what this one for, John?
No.
This one you're using that one. Alright, that's pretty much it on the box. And the next thing is we have to try it on. I think today we're gonna use this cyber saw and the skilly. Alright, see you in a bit. Alright, so we're gonna try this one. First cut. Oh. Okay, so this first cut for XGT. Size blade 185 mm. Okay, try this one. Nice, very powerful. So it's magnesium as well. You can see it. Cordless magnesium, and yeah, 36 volts to 40 volts. Very strong, very powerful. Morning. Today we're gonna try this XGT 40 volts powered by 40 volts battery. So we're gonna make a test. Rip this timber. It's 45 thickness of timber, so we're gonna try to rip it on. Let's try it on. Good. So I'll start plugging at this one. One more try.